Today we're making a spinach wrap. It's tasty and healthy, only 2 ingredients, and you can add any fillings of your choice. So you can start by chopping your spinach. Let me tell you why I love spinach so much. It's high in fiber, it has anti-inflammatory properties, it's good for your bone health, it boosts your immunity, it also gives you a glowing skin and is good for your eyes. Take 3 handsful of spinach and add 3 eggs. You can season to your taste with some salt and pepper. Now you can pulse in your blender or in your Nutribullet until you have a smooth consistency. Remember your non-stick spray. You can also use butter, olive oil or avocado oil. Heat your pan on a medium setting and divide your mixture into 3. This mixture makes about 3 wraps. Then you can pour into your preheated pan. When you see the bubbles form on top of the wrap, it's ready to turn. You'll also see it lifts from the edges. Now you can loosen the edges by using a spatula. You can flip your wrap and bake on the other side until done, about 20 to 30 seconds. You can see the wrap is soft and it has the consistency of a crepe. Now we're going to start constructing the wrap. I've used the cream cheese as base, but you can also use mayonnaise. You can use any fillings of your choice. I've started with cucumbers, which gives it a nice crunch, and some tomato. I've added some shredded chicken for protein with my homemade mayonnaise. See a link to the mayonnaise recipe in the description below. I love cheese and have added a handful of mature cheddar cheese. You can also use feta cheese. Tuck and roll, cut and enjoy.